Good morning, good morning, good morning. Today I'm going to cook breakfast or almost lunch. It's going to be 11 or 12. Robert is doing intermittent fasting, so this will be his first meal. I'm going to cook a scrambled egg, and I'm going to show you how a scrambled egg, the British way, or how Robert taught me how to make a scrambled egg. And ingredients are 5 eggs, and then we'll do the grate. We'll put some drop of milk, skim milk, a low-fat milk. So a drop like that, and then we'll have salt, and grated cheese, sorry, I already opened this. Binuksan ko na pa ito nung nakarang araw, kaya binalot ko siya ng sandwich bag para hindi po ito tumigas, kasi pagka hindi nyo babalutin, isisilid ng sandwich bag, titigas po yung expose, yan, ganyan. Kaya nilalagyan ko po yun ng one sandwich bag. O mag-grate ako ng little bit of cheese, yan. Yan po, little bit of cheese. And then I'm going to put this back on the plastic para hindi mag-dry at ma-spoiled yung cheese. Then put it back here. Lagay ulit sa capsule niya. Yan. Ganyan. Tapos sarap, goma, rubber band, ganyan. Tapos yan. This is the day goodbye. Stir. Start from the outside, and then slowly stirring. Slowly. You have to stir slowly, because if you stir it fast, then the texture of the egg will become different. the cheese now. Turn that off. Turn the fire off. And then let it cook with its heat, its own heat. And the heat from the pan. Scrambled egg. I'm going to toast bread. And dyan. Jam. Food lang. Food. Okay po, hanggang dito na lang po nagwawakas ang aking video. At sana naibigan ninyo. At kung naibigan ninyo, please paki-subscribe kung hindi pa kayo nag-subscribe. Paki-share, tsaka thumbs up, at tsaka comment po kayo. Marami pong salamat sa susunod na kabanata. Bye for now. God bless. Thank you.